Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to run my code for the MQTT broker. So first of all we have to launch a new virtual machine on the AWS Amazon service, so we can go through Servizi AC2 and then click on launch new instance. Now we have to select the Ubuntu server 18, so we can click here and then on next. Select the role, which in my case is this one, and go ahead till the configure security group screen. Here we have to add two rules for the port 1883 and 8083 with this source for all the ports, and then click on review and launch. Now my server is still running, so we can go here on running instances and copy this IP address, which we will need after. Then we have to connect to the virtual machine through this connect button, which will give us the instructions for the connection, and modify and install Mosquito, which is the broker we will use, and modify the configuration. We can do this through these instructions, which are in my readme file on the repository, on the readme file. And once we've done this, we can go in the repository, in the directory, and modify the config files. So we have to modify the config file for db process, and we will need to insert these settings. So for me this is the IP for the server, and here we have the credentials for the MySQL database, which I've created before. And in the database I've put this table, which is needed to save the records. Then we can go back and change also the configuration in the stations folder. And once we have done this, we can launch first of all the db process script, which will connect MQTT broker to the database, and then launch the sensor Python file. The shell will open, and we will need to start the sensors, for example sensor 1 and start sensor 2. As we can see, the script for the database is saving the records in the database. Now at this point we can open the index file of the website, which I've opened here in the Visual Studio Code, and change these variables for the IP and the port of the server. And then we can serve the project, as we can we have to run the PHP files. So as we can see here, the website is displaying the data in real time and the last 4 records of the database.